Hi viewers, welcome to my mom's channel. In honor of Mother's Day, I am doing a few product videos for her. I'm just going to talk about the products that she usually uses or that we use. We share a lot of our products together. So today's product is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift cream. So it's a pressed night cream with retinol and niacinamide. Not sure how to say that, but I think I did it right. So my mom recently has been asking for a really good night cream, and I did tell her that retinol is a really beneficial ingredient to like anti-aging and like brightening your skin tone and things like that. So we made sure to pick her something that has retinol, and it visibly reduces wrinkles and deeply moisturizes, and it's dermatologist tested for safety. So this cream, it provides 24-hour hydration. It absorbs really quickly into your skin. It does not clog your pores, which is really key for me and my mom both, because we have good skin, but our pores are huge. And so it's also like not greasy, and for all skin types, which is also good because we have combination skin. It's allergy tested, fragrance free, dye free, mineral oil free. So that's like there's a lot of benefits to this cream, and like I have retinol in it, so it's a dermatologist recommended anti-aging ingredient that fights key signs of aging such as wrinkles and uneven skin tone, which is I kind of deal with. I have uneven skin tone and I have bumpy skin. And then it also has vitamin B3, which is an essential nutrient that helps brighten skin overall, which again is what we need. And then so the visible results that you can expect from this are overnight your skin will feel more moisturized, it'll feel smoother, it'll feel softer, but over time wrinkles are visibly reduced. It adds contours to your face and neck because it tightens your skin, and then your complexion overall looks brighter. So you have natural contour working, and then plus the brightness hits your high points on your face a lot better, and overall your skin just looks younger and healthier. So one thing that we really liked about this packaging specifically, so this is what it looks like, and it's really nice. It looks like a high-end product, honestly, but it's L'Oreal Paris. So it's very cool, and it's really pretty. The blue is a very pretty shade, and if you open it just like that. What's really nice is that, you're supposed to use always clean fingers, clean hands, when you're using a cream or something like that, but not all of us can really say that we always wash our hands before we use a cream. I mean, at least it doesn't happen all the time. So this is really cool because you can press a button and a single dose comes out. So this is exactly how much you need to put on your face. So it's no more, no little. I know that I often put too much of skin products onto my skin. I never really know when is enough for my skin. So this was a really handy dandy, and I really enjoy that in the packaging. So yeah, my mom uses it every night. I use it maybe once or twice a week because, preventative care is the best type of care. I really like that it's a pressed cream. And I do want to also say obviously this won't just be the fix-all to everything. You do have to use that. I mean, me and my mom have been very, very adamant about sunscreen use, about just making sure that you keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. And I guess they do also include, it's really cool, they include weekly instructions. So I will say anything with retinol, I think you're supposed to do a patch test first. So try it on a corner of your skin or a corner of your hand or something like that, just to make sure your skin doesn't react poorly to it. And so yeah, the directions that they do is week 1, you can apply a pea-size pump 2 nights per week for your face, under your eyes, crow's feet, being sure to avoid the eyelid, and then add an additional pea-size lump for your neck, and be sure to follow it up with sunscreen the next day. And then week 2 you apply it every other night, and week 3 you apply nightly as tolerated. So I really actually do appreciate that, because I feel a lot of people don't recognize, now that retinol is being so popularized, people don't really know how to properly use it. It is really harsh on skin, or until your skin gets used to it. So it is definitely important to use this responsibly. So yeah, if you like this video and would like to watch more, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thank you so much, and have a great Mother's Day.